Hey everybody, it's day 4, the final day of Vidcon, sadly. Let's go.
California. Any of you guys want to learn how to use vidIQ? Leron actually does every Wednesday. He does live demonstrations on our YouTube channel. Every Tuesday, Rob and I actually do live audits as well. And then on Thursdays, we do Ask Me Anything. So we have a lot of availability for you guys to ask us questions. All the data here today is from our authorized channels. Most of the data you see is coming from 51,000 plus sources. So I would say that, we've spent a lot of time on this data. It may not be perfect, but it's very close, right? So a lot of this stuff you guys are going to see today you've probably never seen before. So if you don't like it, just...
So I think that taking all that out of it, I think just like sitting and talking, and I like also just having you there, since I tell her, like, for as much as I tell the podcast, that's only like half of what you know. So it's nice when you can kind of back me up and also like cut me off when I'm saying too much.
Yeah. Emma, we kind of dipped into how you're very real on your podcast. But back to Alicia and Remy, my question for you is there anything you want to talk about on the show?
Yeah.
I'm not going to talk. You're not going to tell me?
QR code at the back to, I guess, get credit for it, so it's a reminder. And also, I want to apologize for having so many words on my slides. I feel like that's supposed to be not good, but I'm sharing these slides out afterwards, and I want to make sure you have a lot of those resources and it's not just a bunch of TED Talk pictures. So, first off, I'd like to start by saying I'm personally very familiar with burnout, and I absolutely have no discipline. And so I made this post earlier this week on Facebook, and I said I was staying up till 3:30 a.m. writing a talk about burnout. And my friends responded this way. And so, here are my thoughts as I reflect on this post. Wow, I'm terrible at keeping myself accountable. How am I writing a talk about burnout? Oh no. Thank God I have friends to shame me in listening.
I didn't know the word for it yet, and resorted to using Behringer as a placeholder term. And I thought, well, that's not how I feel either. I went looking for representation and found none.
All
I wanted was some sort of sign that I wasn't alone.
How am I supposed
After
to get
looking for a YouTuber that I could relate to, and not being able to find one, I decided I was going to have to step up and be the representation that I needed. If I was a young and scared agender kid looking for someone to look up to, I just figured there had to have been other young people like me that were also desperately looking for a role model.
So, day 3, and I just found out there's more to this. It's a whole area over here, and a whole other hall of the convention center. I think this is much newer. It smells new inside. Maybe it's this new carpeting, I don't know. So I saw people walking around with ice cream cones, and I'm like, that's weird. I don't see any ice cream trucks around. Maybe they brought it from somewhere else? Well, now that I'm just about to leave, I found it. It's only 79 degrees, so it's not like it's hot out. But, I'm gonna get some anyway. Here's another option. Gelati. I wonder if that's like gelato. That is Vidcon, day 3. Sorry I haven't had time to edit and post anything. I was hoping maybe I could, but no. Hope you enjoyed my coverage. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't. It costs me crazy amounts of money to be here. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. Oh, I'm also going back to Disneyland in a little bit. And now here is the creator reception, which for some reason is the last thing on the schedule, not the first. But it's pretty awesome. Finally get to go up on the balcony. Haven't been able to. And I think there's supposed to be music, but I'm enjoying the lack of music. 1, I don't have to worry about copyright claims. 2, I'm not yelling because it's not too loud out here. So, pretty nice. What do we have to eat? I will show you. Some hummus, some orange stuff, pita chips, salsa and tortillas. Really, really good too. Unfortunately, all you see is palm trees, but pretty nice, actually really nice view up here. And if you go over to this side, you can actually see Disneyland from here, because it's literally across the street. So that is the third and final day of Vidcon. I have no idea when I'm going to be in California again. Not sure if I'm going to be coming to Vidcon next year. There's another thing called Creator Summit, which looks really cool, but very expensive. Like, really, really expensive. Either way, I hope you enjoyed my coverage of Vidcon. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.
You're having a ball and you're really doing fine. A West Coast time